Hi, this is Darcy Burkow with MarineMax Pensacola, and today we're going to do a walkthrough through this brand new 2021 280 Outrage. As you can see in the back stern, we have nice Brados. They're twin 300s, digital motors, power steering. This particular back stern has the flip out seat. It does have the stern port Livewell. Lean post does have the Livewell in it with a freshwater sink. Upgraded console. Dash can hold up to 2 screens if you put them in there correctly. Spotlight, Fusion stereo, and it does have the Mercury VestView mobile. This is a joystick boat with a digital control, so very easy, nimble control. As we proceed into the bow, very roomy storage area. This is the coffin box, 2 5-gallon buckets, windlass, JL stereo, and the new Fusion remotes now. It did a really good job of placing those remotes. And you can see how the fit and finish with the bolster wrap around and the filler cushions. So come on down and take a look at the boat. It's been a great day. We had great weather here at MarineMax Pensacola. Look at many more of our new Boston whalers coming in on this 280 Outrage. My name is Darcy Burkow. Come and see us.